In this video, I'm going to share with you the importance of waking up early and starting your day right. I will be covering 3 important points that will help you wake up early and be more productive. Hi, I am a cognitive neuroscientist and a psychiatrist, and I make mental health education videos. Today's video is about motivation, but it's not just any type of motivation. It's what I call morning motivation, which is the best way to start your day off right. It's my mantra because if you can wake up early and start your day right, then the rest of your day flows much more smoothly. The first part of this morning motivation is to wake up early. This is the hardest part for many people, especially those who have the option of sleeping in. So many people sleep late and wake up very early in the morning and end up feeling so drained and exhausted. They wonder why they are like that when they wake up. Well, the reason is that they are not getting quality sleep at night because they are up too late. Now, if you are one of those who don't have the luxury of time to sleep early and wake up early, listen up carefully. You need to learn how to take control of your sleep schedule. Waking up early doesn't mean waking up at 4 or 5 a.m., unless that's what you want to do. But it means waking up at a consistent time every morning. So for example, if you need to be up at 7 a.m. every morning to get ready for work or school, then you should try to go to bed early enough so that you can still get 8 hours of sleep by going to bed at 11 p.m. That means you need to wind down from your daily activities at 10 p.m. and be in bed by 11 p.m. and this takes practice. But once you practice this for a few days, it becomes a habit and eventually it becomes second nature to you. Many people think that they have insomnia and they can't sleep early, but that is not true. What's true is that they haven't learned how to sleep early. It's like you want to learn how to ride a bicycle by watching other people ride a bicycle. You need to learn by doing it yourself. If you really want to change your life, then you must start your mornings right. It will set the tone for the rest of your day. When you start your day right, you have more energy. You feel better about yourself and you're more likely to accomplish your goals. I know you might be thinking, yes, Dr. Tracy, I know all that. But tell me how to wake up early. Give me some practical tips. Okay, here are my top 3 tips to help you wake up early and start your day right. No one have a purpose for waking up early. For example, if you want to exercise in the morning, then set your alarm for early enough to allow you to squeeze in your workout before you start your busy day. Or maybe you want to sit down and eat a nice breakfast instead of rushing around like a headless chicken. Maybe you want to watch the sunrise or take a walk in the park. Whatever it is, make sure it is something that you enjoy doing because you want to associate positive things with waking up early. My favorite way to start my morning is to sit down and write in my journal. I usually write down my goals for the day and I reflect on the previous day. This helps me to stay focused and motivated throughout the day. In fact, I made a whole video about journaling. You can check it out here to make it easy to wake up. By easy, I mean make it easy on yourself. Allow yourself to get plenty of sleep at night so that you don't have to wake up feeling groggy and tired. Don't set your alarm clock to go off at the most difficult time for you. For example, if you know that you have a tendency to sleep through your alarm, then place your alarm across the room where you have to get out of bed to turn it off. And don't hit the snooze button. The only purpose of the snooze button is to allow you to oversleep. It's the devil's invention. Remove it. There are so many alarm apps that you can download onto your phone that don't have a snooze button. Use those. And 3. Reward yourself. When you successfully wake up early, reward yourself. You did it yesterday. Do it again today. Give yourself a pat on the back. Be proud of yourself. This is a big deal. Once you master the art of waking up early, you will realize that it's not that hard after all. You can do it. And the benefits of being an early riser are endless. You will have more time to yourself. You will be more productive. You will feel better about yourself. It's a win-win situation. So now that you have the tips to help you wake up early, it is time to listen to some motivating words that will inspire you to get out of bed and start your day right. I've compiled a playlist of my top 30 favorite motivational videos. They are all less than 1 minute each, so it will only take you 30 minutes to watch all of them. And you can watch them anytime during your morning routine while you're getting dressed, having breakfast, or even driving to work. I promise you will feel more energized and motivated after watching these videos. Let me share with you my top 3 favorite quotes from these videos. Number 1 is from Les Brown, who says, "Don't wait until conditions are perfect to start your journey. Start where you are. Now is the perfect time to start. Don't wait. Don't delay. Start now." No. 2 is from Mary Kay Ash, who says, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So dream big and believe in your dreams. That's how you will achieve them." And no. 3 is from Ralph Waldo Emerson, who says, "Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail." This is my favorite. Be a trailblazer, don't follow the crowd. Create your own path in life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.